Darwin Project is a brand new indie early access battle royale game released by Scavenger Studios. It takes all the good elements from Fortnite and PUBG and condenses it down into one big balanced, comprehensible game that has more emphasis on the battle portion rather than the running about aimlessly portion of the games. And with that new balanced environment comes a totally different skill gap. And it mainly comes from the main weapon that everyone uses, the bow and arrow. Now they are projectile based weapons, so you've got to learn to adapt or die, and in this video I'll show you a simple method on how you can improve your aim over time. Good evening, this is the Urban Spaceman, and welcome aboard. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, but Urban Spaceman, don't you just fire aimlessly in the lobby to help you aim? Well, since you're doing it aimlessly, it's not really going to help. You're going to hit more blind shots in the lobby with 9 other people being in there, so it's not a very good way to practice. And it also doesn't take into account terrain and the unpredictability, because no one's going to be moving about in a predictable way to survive in that environment. But all you've got to do in the lobby is simply look up, and you'll see all these orbs. Each one can be hit. Each one serves as a target. And I know you're going to shoot bugger all with everyone fucking targeting you in the public lobby, but all you've got to do is go into a private game, don't share the code with anyone, and just shoot away. The best thing about these bubbles is that they account for many different variables that you'll encounter on the battlefield. Those being distance, with varying distances being from short range, medium range, and long range, and that should be self-explanatory. Unpredictability, because some don't only move in a straight pattern, some go around in different ways, and you've got to learn to adapt that way. And then you've got the speed, and of course this is kind of the hardest to master, adjusting your crosshairs to accurately hit the speeding target, because that's what you're going to be encountering on the battlefield. And if you spend time at this, I assure you your aim will improve over time, and you can do this as long as you want. They all respawn, so you don't need to worry about the longevity of your training session. It may take you a few times of doing this to get used to projectile based weapons, but with such a high skill gap, like I said, it's adapt or die. So anyways, this has been the Urban Spaceman, and I hope you all start improving your aim like I'm gonna start doing, and I'll see you all in the next video. See you all, my fellow inmates.